Hello and welcome. This is Jason with JTC. Today I want to tell you a quicker way to notify your bosses all at the same time about any absences or late or early checkouts of works. Log into your Paylocity app. Once you've logged into your Paylocity app, you'll see these set of tabs. You might be familiar with the time off and the punch tab. Those are the time off is the third one down. Select that one. You'll see two different categories, a vacation and an unpaid time off category. Until you are qualified, you will have unpaid time off only. Check with your HR manager or your employee respect manual to see if you're qualified for vacation time. Select unpaid time off. You will see the balances come up. So you have different balances. Going back to the unpaid time off, down at the bottom, you hit request. Request type, unpaid and vacation paid. So you do the time off request, time and date. We'll put 8 o'clock till 4:30 p.m. That should give us a clean 8 hours p.m. So that gives us 8.5 hours. So only take off 8 hours in a normal day. Even if you're used to working overtime, 8 hours is the normal shift if you're going to miss a day. Please add a note, sick or missing or dental appointments, baby doctors, even if you have a flat tire stuck in traffic. This note will be related to all your bosses at the same time via the notification process that they have in their own Paylocity app. So once you have submitted this time off, and once again, you'll have two different categories, unpaid time off, submit this, and your HR manager will receive a notification as well as all your supervisors in the field and even our safety team and admins in the office. They will get the right to approve your time off request, covering your job and making sure that your communication is stellar, which is what high-end employers are looking for out of their employees.